Hey, weight loss warriors. Did you know that a plant-based diet could be the secret weapon you've been missing in your battle against those extra pounds? Stick around to find out how this natural, sustainable approach can help you achieve your weight loss goals without the struggle. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of plant-based diets as a powerful solution to help you shed those unwanted pounds and achieve lasting health and vitality. If you're ready to transform your life, this video is for you. Let's face it, losing weight can be a daunting challenge. Traditional diets often leave us feeling deprived and frustrated, making it hard to stay committed. That's where a plant-based diet comes in as a game changer. It offers a sustainable, effective way to lose weight without feeling like you're constantly sacrificing. So, what makes a plant-based diet so effective for weight loss? For starters, it's rich in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, making portion control a breeze. Plus, plant-based foods tend to be lower in calorie density, allowing you to eat more while consuming fewer calories. These foods also boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Here are some easy, actionable tips to help you balance your weight on a plant-based diet. Portion control: be mindful of how much you're eating. Start with smaller portions and only go for seconds if you're still truly hungry. Mindful eating: pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Savor each bite and avoid distractions while eating. Choose whole foods: opt for nutrient-dense whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods will keep you full longer and provide essential nutrients. Plan ahead: prepare your meals in advance to avoid the temptation of unhealthy choices. Having a plan helps you stay on track. Stay hydrated: sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help control your appetite. Imagine yourself feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier, all because of the simple shift to a plant-based diet. These tips are not just theoretical, they are practical steps you can start implementing today to see real results. To sum it up, a plant-based diet can be a revolutionary approach to weight loss. By focusing on plant foods, you increase your fiber intake, lower your calorie density, and boost your metabolism, all crucial factors in shedding those extra pounds and keeping them off. Ready to give plant-based meals a try and see the difference they can make in your weight loss journey? Click the link in the description below for exclusive meal plans and recipes to get you started. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments and hit that like button. Subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, plant-based lifestyle. Together, we can achieve our weight loss goals and feel our best.